Community. Our community works together to keep the park clean. Individual. Each individual in the team has a role to play. Lesson 6. Community. Our community works together to keep the park clean. Individual. Each individual in the team has a role to play. Choice. You have two choices: stay or leave. Escape. The prisoner tried to escape from the jail. Distance. The distance between my house and the school is 2 kilometers. Wise. It was wise to save money for the future. Upset. He was upset because he lost his wallet. Voice. Her voice is very soft and beautiful. Weather. The weather is sunny today. Follow. The dog followed its owner home. Face. We must face our problems with courage. Return. She will return home after work. Pet. My pet is a small white cat. Advantage. Speaking English gives you an advantage in finding a job. Reach. I cannot reach the book on the top shelf. Survive. The man survived a serious car accident. Ghost. They believe the old house is haunted by a ghost. Cause. The heavy rain caused flooding in the city. Fright. She cried out in fright when she saw the snake. Dead. The flowers are dead because they had no water. Lesson 7. Condition. The car is in good condition. Announce. They will announce the winner tomorrow. Prince. The prince greeted the people from the balcony. Expert. She is an expert in computer science. Famous. Paris is famous for its beautiful architecture. Contribute. Everyone should contribute to the project. Claim. He claims that he can speak 5 languages. Force. The wind hit the house with great force. Sudden. There was a sudden change in the weather. Challenge. Learning a new language is a big challenge. Beside. She sat beside her best friend. Sense. He sensed that something was wrong. Lay. She laid the baby on the bed. Protect. Sunglasses protect your eyes from the sun. Harm. Smoking can cause serious harm to your health. Divide. The teacher divided the class into 4 groups. Allow. My parents don't allow me to stay up late. Therefore. He was sick, therefore he stayed at home. Difference. There is a big difference between the 2 cars. Peace. The country has lived in peace for many years. Lesson 8. Theory. Einstein's theory changed science. Contrast. The contrast between day and night is clear. Propose. He proposed a new idea for the project. Accept. He accepted the job offer. Necessary. It is necessary to drink water every day. Arrange. We arranged a meeting for tomorrow. Require. This job requires experience. Success. The party was a big success. Attend. Many students attended the lecture. Grab. She grabbed my hand. Tear. Be careful not to tear the paper. Balance. He balanced the box on his head. Encourage. My teacher encouraged me to try harder. Purpose. The purpose of this lesson is to learn new words. Pattern. The dress has a beautiful pattern. Release. They released the bird into the sky. Single. He bought a single ticket. Familiar. This song sounds very familiar to me. Huge. They live in a huge house. Hang. He hung his coat on the wall. Lesson 9. Island. We stayed on a small island last summer. Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. Beach. We walked along the beach and watched the sunset wave. The big waves crashed against the rocks. Against. He leaned against the wall and closed his eyes. Pleasant. It's pleasant to sit under the tree on a sunny day. Rock. The kids sat on a big rock near the river. Damage. The storm damaged many houses. Emotion. She tried to hide her emotions during the meeting. Fix. He fixed the broken chair easily. Discover. They discovered a new island in the ocean. Identify. Can you identify the person in this photo? Perhaps. Perhaps we can go to the beach tomorrow. Prevent. Regular exercise can prevent heart disease. Step. He stepped carefully on the wet floor. Taste. I love the sweet taste of mangoes. Still. She is still waiting for your reply. Frank. To be frank, I don't like his attitude. Save. The firefighters saved the child from the burning house. Throw. He threw the ball to his friend. Lesson 10. Benefit. The new policy brings great benefits to students. Certain. She is certain about her decision. Chance. He got a chance to study abroad. Effect. The new rule had a positive effect on safety. Essential. Water is essential for all forms of life. Far. The village is far from the city. Focus. You need to focus on your goals. Function. The heart's main function is to pump blood. Grass. The children are playing on the grass. Guard. Soldiers guard the palace day and night. Image. The image on the screen was very clear. Immediate. She asked for an immediate response. Primary. The primary reason for success is hard work. Proud. He felt proud of his achievement. Remain. The door remained closed all day. Rest. You should rest after a long day of work. Separate. They sleep in separate rooms. Site. This is the site of the new school. Tail. The dog wagged its tail happily. Trouble. He got into trouble for being late.